Good morning guys, it is Tuesday the 5th of August. We are here in the heart of Shoreditch, right in central London. You can see there's loads of graffiti here, but we're actually removing a legal graffiti piece just down in that courtyard there for the Nobu Hotel. It's been done by an artist, it's been up there a while, and we'll be removing the graffiti mural. So the guys are just on their way. They should be here within the next 15 minutes. Scouted the job out, we know exactly where they're gonna park, we know where the water is. We should be able to get cracking fairly quickly on this one. So let's go down to the courtyard and I'll show you what we're taking off today. So we're just waiting for the guys. They're going to pull up there in that double yellows right by the fire escape. They should be here in the next 10 minutes. A minute away, sweet. Did you see my video about the best place to park?
Yeah.
All right, good man.
That road now.
Yeah, if you come on that road, if you can try and get your rear facing where the fire escape is.
Yeah.
And then put some cones. You got some cones on board?
Yes.
Yeah, so put some cones, so if you go half up onto the pavement and then put some cones around the wheels of the van.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, mate, I'll see you soon.
Okay.
The water supply's in there, so when the guys come, they're going to pull up on the double yellows, come down the fire escape with the hose. As you know, a lot of our equipment is vehicle mounted, so hose is coming down to fill up the water tank on board, and then the high pressure hose is coming down this way. There's nobody out in this courtyard today, so we don't have to go too crazy with the barriers and warning and stuff. First thing they'll do is protect all the electrics, because we're working with water near live electrics, make sure we're not going to damage anything. So here's graffiti mural pieces that will be taken off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here is the lovely artist that has done the graffiti pieces, David Speed. David Speed is a prominent London-based aerosol artist known for his signature neon pink artworks. He rose to fame whilst painting the streets during the pandemic and has quickly become one of the most recognised creators in the UK's contemporary art scene. David has created works for such clients as Shaquille O'Neal, Fortnum and Mason and MTV. And now, David, you're having your artwork removed by LBC. Don't forget to put that on your next poster. Yeah, David seems like a pretty cool guy, and I'm going to reach out to David because if he's putting these pieces up and people want to take them down, we'd love to be his preferred supplier and get that all connected up. So yeah, who knows? Watch his space. We've got a ticket. Not another one. How much is it in this area? 160. No way. 80 have paid. 80 quid here, 80 quid there. It's been an expensive morning already.
Yeah, it's going really well. So originally we were going to try it with just the steam, just to see if we don't have to use any chemicals. It's always better, but turned out that we did need the chemicals. So what we tried with first is we've got a solvent for graffiti. If that doesn't work, then we use Graffiti X, and then we've got another chemical called Ghost Stop as well. Luckily, just with the Graffiti X, it's coming off like a dream. So yeah, it's a nice easy one today. So everyone's happy.
No. Take your time.
Fruit in a crusher.
Can you help me?
To be fair, I tried that strawberry sandwich from M&S. It was actually really nice.
Strawberry sandwich?
It's like strawberries and cream in a sandwich, yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Removing a graffiti mural from a famous artist. What I didn't tell you earlier was this graffiti is actually glow in the dark. Check out this picture right here. Pretty cool, but the hotel wanted to remove it because they're changing from a Nobu Hotel to another brand of hotel. So they had to remove it. They were a bit unhappy about it, but it's just a brand thing. So we're glad that we could be there to help them take it off. It was a little bit harder than expected. It wouldn't come off just with steam. We had to use some graffiti removal chemicals, but the guys are doing a cracking job here today, and I hope you like this video. If you want to see some more graffiti removals, click here to watch that video. Or if you'd prefer to watch some roof cleaning videos, click here to watch that video. And don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. And if you've got any questions, leave them below and I'll answer them for you.